Want to attract more butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds to your garden? A pollinator garden is the perfect way to support these vital creatures while creating a beautiful, low-maintenance landscape. In today's video, I'll show you how to design a thriving pollinator garden in USDA Zone 7A, featuring the best plants to keep your garden buzzing all season long. Pollinator gardens are more than just beautiful. They provide food and shelter for essential pollinators like bees and butterflies, and they come with big benefits. Boost fruit and vegetable production, reduce the need for pesticides, improve soil health, and create a stunning landscape. Echinacea, or coneflower, is a drought-resistant powerhouse that attracts bees, butterflies, and even goldfinches in late summer. Bee balm is a magnet for hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies, plus it has a lovely minty scent. Milkweed is essential for monarch butterflies. It's their primary host plant and a crucial nectar source. Black-eyed Susans bloom for months, providing pollinators with a long-lasting food source. Zinnias and cosmos are easy to grow and bring a pop of color while attracting loads of butterflies. Sunflowers are a favorite for bees in summer and provide seeds for birds in fall. These plants attract beneficial insects while adding beauty and fragrance to your garden. The butterfly bush is a summer-long nectar source, but be sure to trim it back to prevent spreading. Summersweet has fragrant blooms that attract bees, while elderberry flowers provide nectar before producing berries for birds. The redbud tree is an early-season lifeline for bees, providing nectar before most other flowers bloom. Herbs like lavender, thyme, and oregano attract pollinators while adding fresh flavors to your cooking. Letting some basil and rosemary flower provides extra food for bees throughout the growing season. To make your pollinator garden a success, follow these tips. Plant in clusters. Pollinators prefer large groups of the same flower. Choose different bloom times. Keep food available from spring to fall. Provide shelter. Include logs, brush piles, or bee hotels. Avoid pesticides. These can harm the very insects you're attracting. Add a water source. A shallow dish with pebbles is perfect for bees. A pollinator garden isn't just beautiful, it's a lifeline for pollinators. Whether you have a small patio garden or a large backyard, adding the right plants can make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite pollinator plant? Happy gardening!